Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings. Then you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the app of Duolingo app. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone, you can wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.